Dumangas and Iloilo, bound for Bacolod. So today will be a long drive across Negros, from Bacolod to Dumaguete. So it's not in the Port of Iloilo but in the Port of Dumangas, yung mga vehicles. The vehicles are here sa baba. Ayan na, punong-puno, no? And yan yung Fort Everest that we're driving back to Jensan. Akit tayo sa taas, to see yung tayo here. Let's just see